Hi everyone, this is Hanya, and this is lesson 3 of our Pashto alphabets. So, last time we left off at Khe, and now we're starting at Te. So, repeat after me. Te, De, Dal, Dal, Zal, and Re. So now I'm going to say the words so that we're going to use them in the sentence later. So, Te, Tiragh, De, Dala, Dal, Dukan, Dal, Doctor, Zal, Zikr, Re, Runa. So now we're going to use all these words in sentences. So let's get started. The sentence for Te Tiragh is Daga Tiragh Dera Runa Kavin. And that sentence translated with English is this lamp has a very bright light. So the next one is De Dala Murghe Padala Ke Ose. And that sentence translated to English is this bird lives in a nest. The next one is Dal Dukan Ahmad Dukan Lare. That sentence translated is Ahmad has a shop. And the fourth one is Dal Doctor Damaiwan Pla Doctor De. And that sentence translated to English is my one's dad is a doctor. The fifth one is Zal Zikr. Zikr Sawab Lare. And the sentence in English for that is worship has reward. And the last one is Re Runa. Pohana Runa Da. And the sentence in English for that is education is brightness. So now I'm going to repeat these once again, and yeah. So this is Te, this is De, this is Dal, this is Dal, this is Zal, and the last one is Re. So make sure you guys practice these a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!